Check out these molds I made for the column bases on this house. These bases will be poured concrete and then wrapped with stone veneer. Some builders make these out of plywood, but they are prone to rot over time, especially if they contact the ground, so we went with concrete. We used a 2-part epoxy designed for embedding rebar into concrete. It has a special tube that mixes the 2 parts together as it comes out. Next, I used my rebar cutter to cut and bend rebar that will go inside the molds. The concrete bases overhang the edge of the porch by 3.5 inches. I made sure to bring the rebar down over the edge. I also put some 1/2-inch Titan bolts and 1/4-inch Titan screws into the porch foundation, so once the concrete is poured around them, it will help hold everything together. We secured the molds to the porch slab with Tapcons. Since the slab is sloped away from the house, I used shims to plumb and level the molds. I put quite a bit of reinforcement on these molds since there will be a lot of pressure on them when the concrete's being poured. Let me know if you'd like to see these column bases once they're poured and the forms are stripped off.